What is up, everybody? How you all doing today? It's a beautiful day. Yes, it is. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, beautiful day today. You all have a wonderful, beautiful day today. Alright, we're going to get into another bead adventure here. Yeah. So, went to a spot and got some stuff. Alright. Follow your dreams, please. Like and subscribe, please. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. We'll see you in a bit. Thank you for watching. Alright. Woo, woo. Let's see what we got going on in here. What we got here? Woo. Look at that. That color. There we go. Not so much glare. See it better. There you go. Yeah. Alright. Got some of these. Yeah. 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 I got a couple of them. Got some of these. Alright. Yeah, look at them. Alright. Got some watch out. It's a little different gauge than what I use, but it's pretty close to the same. So we're gonna try it out. I think it'll be good. And we got some different kind of magnet clasp here. Got these. They got little grooves in them. They got these little grooves in them, so when they see, I'm pulling on the ends, and unless I pull down and pull, they don't want to come apart. So that's pretty cool. See, they got these little grooves in them, if you can see it, and they got little parts that, yeah, like that. So that's pretty cool. You can do it like that. Yeah, that's how it goes right there. They just had them like this, but it's supposed to go like that. It looks like Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Alright. I'm excited about using them. I just got one pack because I want to try them out, see how it goes. We got some red stuff here. I need to do some more red stuff. So we got some. We're going to do some with. Alright, that's going to be fun. Alright, we got some. Watch out! You wait later. We're going to be doing some charm bracelets and stuff. Yeah. Here later today. And we're going to try to get it posted by tonight. Get all this uploaded by tonight. Alright. There we go. Nice purple. Yeah. I got these because they're blue. I need to do some more blue. And they got some green ones in there. And just some different. They're pretty cool. The purple ones are kind of the same. But the... So here we got this one. Pretty cool. Different colors. Alright. So... I took a better look at these. I was wrong. They don't look like Mickey Mouses. I think these are on the side for taking them apart easier like that. This little thing that sticks out goes in there. Same thing on this side with that. I was wrong. so they go like that. Anyways, got some of these too. Some of these here, right here. It's a clasp. It's called a barrel clasp. This is 15 millimeter, and you screw it together like so. So we got these and these, and we're going to try to do some different styles than the lobster claw. Got one of these. Let's see if I can get it. Maybe y'all can see it and read it. Oh, if not, what it says is, you make the world a beautiful place. You make the world a beautiful place. That's so cool. That's why I got it. I was like, I got more of these. Watch out! Watch out! Anyways, yep. And I got these. I'll show you why I got these. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Here it is. No? Here it is. See the cross? So yeah, the cross can go. And we got some other crosses here. This one's got flowers on it. This one is its own little different style. This one is a cross with the key. This one is a bigger one. We're gonna figure out something to do. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so we got these. Got some. Yes. Yes, I did. Got some. But anyways, yep. We got some of them. Seahorses and got some more crimp beads. The other crimp beads, because I ran out of these ones. And we got some of these, because I was running out of some, and I was like, let's see, let's get these ones. But yeah. Alright, so we got some black ones there. We got some of these. I think it'll go good. Something like this, you know, the mixture, you know, something, the black and everything, and then we got this cross right here. Could do something like that. And we got some of these. Oh yeah. Yep. We're gonna do something with them. And then I got some more of these. Yep. Alrighty, so that was some jewelry unboxing. Something a little different here, but sticking with the jewelry theme. Sorry, let me turn this light down. It's bright. Alright. So everybody, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please follow your dreams. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you.